A potential new coronavirus vaccine produced strong immune responses in a mid-stage trial. According to the drug maker GlaxoSmithKline, the phase 2 trial involved more than 700 adults aged 18 to 95. They received 2 doses 21 days apart at 3 different dose levels. The companies say the vaccine produced an immune response that were comparable to that seen in the recovered COVID-19 patients, and no safety concerns were reported.
Meanwhile, COVAX, the worldwide vaccine sharing initiative, had hoped to deliver 170 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines this week to low-income countries. But according to UNICEF, it's expected to have a shortfall of 105 million doses. In a statement, UNICEF said the undersupply is partly due to the COVID-19 situation in India, which is a global hub for vaccine production. The organization calls for G7 countries and European Union members to donate 20% of their available supply over the summer, amounting to around 153 million doses.
A program that uses text messages to help people quit vaping appears to have some success. The nonprofit Truth Initiative studied almost 2,600 people who signed up for the service. At the beginning of the year-long trial, all participants reported vaping within the last 30 days, with more than 82% saying they did so within 30 minutes of waking. At the 7-month follow-up point, just 24% reported vaping during the previous month. The study did not include teens, which have the highest rate of e-cig use.
In consumer news, AAA says drivers impacted by the Colonial Pipeline shutdown should see prices at the pump return to normal in the coming days. Last week, gas prices spiked nearly 21 cents per gallon in parts of the Southeast. Now that the pipeline is up and running, gas stations are slowly getting refueled. AAA says fuel prices tend to spike very easily, and last week's case was due to panic buying. AAA says there's plenty of gas and drivers can expect the cost at the pump to continue leveling off in the coming days. If you paid taxes on your unemployment benefits for 2020, you could have a refund coming beginning this week. That's because under the American Rescue Plan, unemployment benefits up to a certain level don't count as income during the pandemic. More than 10 million people are expected to see the refund.
A new team is moving into the Valley for summer baseball. Up next in sports, where they came from, where they're going to play, and why.